Hello friends, how are you? Today I'm going to show you that how you can use free copyrighted images of Google in your website or YouTube channel. If you want to use images of Google in your website or YouTube channel, there may be copyright strike. Okay, so how to overcome this problem? How to use free images of Google? So to do that, you need to open Google Chrome. For example, I'm typing computer. I want to use computer images. Now I'm clicking on images. So these are images, but it may be copyright strike. Okay. So go to tools and usage rights and click on Creative Commons licenses. Now these all images are free from Google. You can use it in your website or in your YouTube channel for free. Okay, so if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Okay.